Hello everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today I'm going to walk you through how to create your Buvei virtual card. Now, to do this, first you have to log into your Buvei account and open your dashboard. If you haven't signed up yet, simply click Start Free to register quickly with your email. And then you top up your wallet under the Wallet tab. You click on the Wallet tab to top up your wallet. You can choose TRC20 or ERC20 USDT. Use your crypto wallet to send your funds. Wait for the balance to reflect. Don't forget to make sure the network matches your transfer. And then recharge successfully. Then if you don't recharge successfully, click issue card. After recharging successfully, you click issue card. And then you choose a card, BIN, which is suitable for SaaS payments. Then you click issue and proceed to issue. Then enter your card holder details like your first name, last name, card quantity, and desired top-up amount. Then click issue credit card to generate your virtual card. After generating your card, go to my cards page to view the card details. You see your name, card number, and expiry date and CVV. You can also recharge, withdraw, or delete the card at any time. It's as simple as that. Now, if you wonder what you can use the virtual card for, you can use it for OnlyFans too. So if you are interested in creating an OnlyFans account or paying for it without revealing your real account details, your real credit card details, you can create this virtual card and use it for it. Hope you found this video helpful.